Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to cancel all your sent friend requests. So let's start. First open the Facebook app. Now tap on the three bars on top right corner. Now tap on Friends. Now tap on See All. Now tap on the three dots on top right corner. Now tap on View Send Request. And you'll see all the requests you have sent from your profile. Now to cancel the request, tap on Cancel. And you have to do it individually. And that's how you can cancel send friend request. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.